I've got this really nice wok today. It's all carbon steel. It's not been seasoned. This is just fresh out of the box. It comes with the handle off. You have to screw the handle back in. It's got a patina. It has a like cracks in the. I don't know if that's by design or not. We're going to find out when I do some cooking on it. It comes with a nice handle on front and back, which is going to prevent you from putting it in the oven. But that's okay. A scrub brush, and then a stainless steel wool. It's got a top so that you can kind of steam your ingredients as you go. And then it came with a nice stainless steel spatula. My first impression of this is wonderful. It's heavy, it's sturdy. I like it. I've got to season it and cook something in there, and I'll post that video when it happens. So far, I'm happy with it. I think you will be too. Thank you for watching.